There will be no flipping today. No flipping, I'm very serious. There will be no flipping today. G'day everyone and welcome to another episode of Cook More with Simon. Today we are going to be doing something that petrifies 150 billion people every single day, even chefs. But you're going to do it at home and it's going to be better than anything in the world. It's Hollandaise. We're going to really simplify it, make it very easy for you. So to make your Hollandaise, you're going to have 3 eggs. This should be enough for 2 people. You're going to have a little bit of vinegar. I made a bit of a fancy vinegar. You don't have to. Normal vinegar is fine. Just have some vinegar and a little bit of water. You want 40 mils, right? That's happy days. 300 mils of butter. You're going to have about 100 mils per egg yolk. So remember that. 100 mils per egg yolk will make your Hollandaise. You're going to have also some lemon juice and you're also going to have a bit of salt. And then we're going to go and turn this into an eggs benny. Oh, yum! I'm so excited. Let's do it. You're going to get your eggs and separate the yolks from the whites. You just want your egg yolks. So now into your 3 eggs, you're going to add your 40 mils of your vinegar. What I did with mine is vinegar, black pepper and tarragon. You're going to mix this through. Then once that comes together and it's started to come to like a creamy consistency, we're going to go ahead and start pouring in our butter. Got some egg and vinegar that's come together nice and creamy. Turn your blender on and then very slowly pour in your butter. If you pour it in fast, everything's going to break apart. The emulsification won't work. Rock and roll. So now what we're going to do is now season our Hollandaise. I like a bit of salt. And now we're going to again blend and squeeze our lemon juice in. So at the end of it all, you have this nice velvety, creamy Hollandaise. It's just wow. Now depending on the size of your yolks, you might not need the whole amount of butter. That's fine, don't stress. Once it comes thick, then you know that's pretty much done. You add your lemon juice in and your seasoning, forget about it. Now let's turn this into an Eggs Benedict and have the best day ever, just quietly. Look at this. Look at this. What have you done? What have you done? You've made Hollandaise and you've made the best Eggs Benedict of your life and you're eating it at home. Look at that beautiful glossy Hollandaise. I've just thrown a bit of smoky paprika on top, a bit of cracked pepper and some chopped parsley. Oh, I've got the most perfect poached egg in the world. This is why I can't go out and get Benedict anymore, because I can just do that. I don't know, that one. Now, obviously with Hollandaise, don't go putting it in your fridge and using it the day after. You want to use it fresh, so you can keep this up to 2 hours as well. Keep it nice and warm by a warm place. Don't obviously put it on the stove. But look at that. You have just become your best friend to yourself. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, get back into your kitchen and cook more.